In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on chat and rooms, also known as spaces, in the Gmail app and Gmail web settings. This is a really useful setup if you want to keep your messages, team conversations, and collaboration tools all in one place. Once you turn this on, you'll be able to see Google Chat and Spaces in Gmail's sidebar, making it much easier to switch between email and chat. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple accounts for work or personal email. Once Gmail loads, look for the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Click on Settings and then choose See All Settings so you can access the full Gmail settings menu. Now that you're in the full settings page, look across the top for the tab called Chat and Meet. This is where Gmail lets you control whether chat features appear inside your inbox. Click on the Chat and Meet tab to open those options. Inside this section, you'll see the chat setting. To turn on Google Chat, select Google Chat. This is the option that enables chat functionality inside Gmail. Once Google Chat is turned on, Gmail will also enable Spaces automatically. Spaces is the newer name for what many people used to call rooms. So if you were trying to bring back rooms, this is the setting you need. You usually do not need to change anything else for that part, because turning on chat activates Spaces as well. After selecting Google Chat, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is an important step because your settings won't apply until you save them. Gmail may take a moment to refresh after you click Save, so be patient while it updates. Next, reload Gmail if it doesn't refresh automatically. You can click the reload button in your browser or simply refresh the page. Once Gmail opens again, look at the left sidebar. You should now see the chat section and the spaces section appear there. If they show up, that means everything is enabled correctly. If you don't see the options right away, double check that you selected Google Chat, saved the changes, and refreshed the page. In some cases, the update may take a moment to fully appear, especially if you're using a work or school Google account. But in most cases, this process works right away, and that's it. You've successfully turned on chat and rooms or spaces in Gmail. Now you can message people, join conversations, and manage collaboration right from your inbox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick Gmail tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.